Hey guys, Jai here. I'm going to be in Florida on the 6th of October and I'm going to be playing some airsoft, some places that I'm not really too sure about, but Schwell11 has kindly offered to take me around, show me some sights, and you can check his YouTube by clicking here. But if you want to send me a message or keep up where I'm going to be, you can join my Facebook or EpicAirsoftHD's and I'll try and keep up with your questions and requests. So I'm looking forward to seeing you guys. I'm really excited about it, and I'll see you then.